How to do hat trick TEMU method. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your TEMU application. Make sure you were signed in and now go ahead and tap on the search bar you see on top of your screen and type in hat trick. You will then see the Win My Gift button. Tap on that. You will then be required to pick your first gift. So go ahead and pick your first gift. Simply tap on the Want This Gift button below the gift you want and further select the size, color of the product. Now tap on the I Want This Gift button. Repeat the same process thrice, and once you are done picking 3 gifts, tap on the Confirm button. Make sure that to confirm your gift, you will now have to invite friends to accept your invitation via your hat trick link or code and earn energy. You can use the energy to pack gifts in the hat trick gifts, and once you pack all 3 gifts and complete the process, you can claim 3 gifts. So this is how you can do hat trick TEMU method. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.